All right, guys, today is Saturday, and we had a lot of whales sell off, and that's something we're going to be discussing in today's video. I'm going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is moving up or down, so you're going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? My name is Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. I have 13 years experience, and I call out huge plays before they even happen. So if you haven't followed my Patreon already, you're going to want to sign up for my buy and sell trade alerts. They're incredibly cheap, and they let you know when to buy at the dip and when I'm ready to sell, which is when you can also sell, making a lot of profits. So congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts on my Patreon because you've made a lot of money. I'm also doing a 100 Doge giveaway when we get to 2,000 subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe, ring the bell, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top and comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we reach 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. So for the last 3 Saturdays, we've had huge sell-offs, meaning the whales are selling a lot of their stock, or cryptos in this case. But of course, with every huge drop and dip always comes a peak and a lot of people buying in. Well, that's what we've seen the Sunday morning following. Even though there were a lot of whales selling out for the last 3 Saturdays, on the Sunday following, there have been some huge peaks. And that's what it's looking like for today as well. Therefore, today or tomorrow could be huge days. But even with that being said, we are still going to most likely have a huge bounce within the next 48 hours. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is simply my opinion. So currently our position in Dogecoin is oversold. And what that means is when a crypto or stock is in the oversold position, which I currently see on the charts, it usually means we're going to get a huge bounce and the whales are going to buy in. As you can see on the chart, even though we had a huge dip right here, we are still moving up in a very bullish way. We have an uptrend for Dogecoin, and that's most likely because of all of the fundamental catalysts we have in the news, with Coinbase coming out with Dogecoin listing on their platform, and as well as Tesla and a lot of other companies are now actually accepting Dogecoin, which is huge. Which means, so even though we bottom out right here, we have a number B and C that's massively stable, having bottomed out all the way. So we now have a resistance, a point of resistance at 32 cents. During the recovery stage, you definitely see it consolidate, moving sideways. This is generally right before the breakout, right before it travels upwards, and that way we have a huge peak, which is when I let you guys know to sell on my Patreon. This very bullish movement also shows us that we have a lot of strength, a lot of stability. Dogecoin has often maintained its price, even throughout massive volatility in the crypto market. So looking back, we generally see the first of the month being very bullish. So as we move into June, there should be some very green days to look forward to. With all the fake news and tweets going around, people often have FUD. They have fear and greed. The fear and greed index has been very high lately on Dogecoin and on other cryptos in general, which means people have been selling off a lot. That causing it to dip, that's when the whales know to get right back in. It's called market manipulation, and that's what they're doing at all times, and you've got to be ready for that. With all these brand new investors in the Dogecoin marketplace, whether it be because of SNL or simply because of Elon Musk's tweets or anything else, they're jumping right in. They're getting right in. They're not ready. They're the small retailers, and they're not quite ready and experienced with the money they do have to invest in to know, to hold when there is a dip, right? So they're messing with us. The whales are messing with us by selling off when we reach a peak. They're selling off their multi-millions, sometimes even billions, which causes a massive dip. That's when the smaller retailers who have just got into crypto investing get scared. They sell off. You can't have paper hands like that. You gotta have diamond hands if you wanna make money in the crypto market. Always hold, never sell for less than you've bought in for. And the crypto market is so incredibly volatile, which means it will eventually go up. So this is when experienced investors can get in, like myself, putting our money in at that massive dip so that we do see the maximum profits, which is what I do on my trade alerts every single day on Patreon. And that's how in a matter of hours, you can sometimes double or triple your money. At clearance price right now on all cryptos, almost half of what they were just a month ago. It's time to get in. It's time to start buying so that you can have those maximum profits. Even at 10 or 20% profits, it's still worth selling and raking in your profits, possibly putting your principal away and just using your profits to invest with from then on. We have had massive recoveries, even from huge crashes that we've had in the past. So we are looking at some really good green days coming up in the next 30 to 60 days. So as you've seen in crypto, nothing goes straight up or goes straight down when there's an uptrend or a downtrend, which simply means when we do see that massive uptrend for a long time like we had in the past 2 weeks, you have to see that cool down period. It's completely healthy and normal for a bullish uptrend. These corrections and retracements could last a day, a week, or even a month, but always hold with diamond hands. With all these fundamental catalysts, Elon Musk, and a lot of other businesses behind Dogecoin, we have a lot to look forward to. So guys, we could go down a little bit further. With our level of resistance being at 32 cents, as you can see, we might go down to 28 cents within the next 72 hours. Be ready, have some cash on the side to buy that dip. Be waiting for my trade alert on Patreon. That way you can rake in an easy 30-40%. I can let you guys know when I'm selling so you can be ready to sell as well if you want to, or hold for an even larger profit. So reducing your average cost, a good idea is oftentimes to buy a little bit at a time every time you see a dip. Guys, after our huge breakout that's coming up, you may continue to see volatility, but trading sideways and consolidating, only leading to an even bigger breakout. I've heard several crypto analysts say that they believe that Ethereum will reach $20,000 to $30,000 simply by the end of this year. So that's something I will keep you guys up to date on. Because of a massive rise in the love for Dogecoin, eToro, yes, the app eToro, which is a trading platform, decided to take Doge on, which is just a massive step towards massive adoption of Dogecoin in every single business. So guys, if you haven't joined my Patreon already, you're gonna wanna do that in the top pinned comment. It's incredibly cheap. I offer one-on-one counseling, portfolio building, and other awesome benefits. So it's definitely worth a look. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to trade on, I highly recommend Webull. By using my link in the description, if you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,200, which you can liquidate, buy any stocks or cryptos with it, or use as you'd like. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, all you have to do is subscribe, ring the bell, smash that like button because it really does help out the channel, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we get to 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.